That's when you must believe there's no place like home, especially Christmas Eve. There's no place like home, the song will clearly say. There's no place like home, especially Christmas Day.
Welcome, everybody, and I'm Billy Bob, and we're celebrating Christmas time again. And we love Christmas time so much because that's when we get to be home with our friends and our family members, and everybody brings over their kids, and we get to see how much they've grown all year. And we do lots of good eating and singing. We get around and sing together, you know. And me and the rest of the band members here, we love the singing part because our family members usually ask us to lead the sing-alongs. Because we're in a band and stuff, and they think we can sing okay. And so we lead the sing-alongs and stuff, huh, Looney Bird? Looney Bird, what you doing in there? Looney Bird, come out here. And Looney Bird, what you doing in there? Uh-oh, folks, Looney Bird, come on out here, explain yourself. Looney Bird, what are you doing in there?
Just a little preventative dental work there, Billy Bob. You know, filled all my teeth so that I can eat all the sweets I want this Christmas without getting any cavities.
Oh, no, Looney Bird, that's silly. You can't fill your own teeth and expect not... Never mind, Looney Bird, we're talking about all the songs we do when we go home and see our folks and stuff at Christmas, and I just thought I'd ask you if you'd start the show off by doing that one that your mama loves so much. You know, the one she gets you to do in front of everybody every year?
No, Billy Bob, I can't do it, I'm sorry.
Well, how come, Looney Bird?
Billy Bob, I don't do that song too good, you know, I get embarrassed.
Oh, Looney Bird, everybody'd love to hear you do it. It's okay. Everybody wants to hear Looney Bird do his mama's favorite Christmas song.
Way.
Come on, let's get him out here and do it for us.
Nope, I'm not gonna do it. I'm sorry. I told you I'm not gonna do it. I don't do that song in public, and that's final.
Well, if that's final, Looney Bird, I guess we won't bother you about it again, right, everybody?
Good.
We won't even ask you to do it again.
Right.
And we'll just start the show with Mitzi.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells ring and jingle bells swing, snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Now the jingle rock has begun.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime, it's jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing and jingle bells swing in the frosty air.
What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up those feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle with the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.
Looney Bird, we know what that is.
Yeah, we know what that is, Looney Bird. You come on out of there.
Go away.
It's your mama's favorite song, Looney Bird.
Hey, Looney Bird, your mama's sitting out here. She wants to hear it.
My mom's out there?
Yeah, your mom's out here.
Yeah.
I'll never sing this song in public.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
Looney Bird, come on, I wanted to hear you.
Come on, Looney Bird. Come sing it for Mommy. Mama. Come sing it for Mommy. Mama. Sing it, bro. It's my mama. Ave Maria. Thank you.
Thank you, Looney. I'm sure you made your mama happy with that. you know, folks. Me and Looney Bird, we just want to tell y'all that we hope you enjoy a wonderful Christmas at home with your family this year. And when you hear those bells ringing this year, that they'll be bells of joy and not the blues.
Bells will be ringing, the sad, sad news. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone, I have no friends to wish me greetings once again. We'll be singing silent night, Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night. Friends and relations send salutations. Sure as the stars shine above. This is Christmas, yes, Christmas, my dear. The time of year to be with the one you love. So won't you tell me you're never more wrong? Christmas and New Year's will find you at home. There'll be no more sorrow, no grief, no pain, and I'll be happy, happy once again. Be no more sorrow, oh, no grief, no pain, and I'll be happy, happy once again.
Oh, yeah, Beach Bear. There's a lot of reasons why your baby might not make it home for Christmas. Why, last year, my little Esmeralda got 2 bunions on her big toe. Couldn't get on the airplane. So take it from me. You want to spend Christmas with your baby? Take care of your features.
There'll be no more sorrow, no grief, no pain, and I'll be happy anytime you come my way. But this offer is